This is the Genesis G90. Your G90 may be equipped with a Mood Curator that enables integrated control of ambient lighting, window shades, sound, fragrance, and massage functions to lift the mood of the vehicle passengers. To set up the Mood Curator, begin by parking in a safe and secure area. Ensure that your vehicle is in park, the parking brake is applied, and the vehicle is turned on. Then press the Mood Curator icon on the home screen. Select one of the 4 desired moods that stimulates the senses and helps improve emotion. Choose your current desired method of relaxation by selecting between Vitality, Delight, Care, and Comfort modes. The first button will turn on or off music with the selected mood. The second button will turn off or on the interior ambient lighting with the selected mood. The third button turns on or off the scent diffuser with the selected mood. Press the Start/Stop button to begin or stop the Mood Curator mode. Note that the Mood Curator can be used while parked or during driving. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.